So you want to download the game Moving Out 2 without overspending? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to legally download this game without overspending from official platforms. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. The next step is to quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to the next website to download it. So please stick to the end and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, and search up the game Moving Out 2. Then select the game, open the game page and scroll a little bit down. And you will find out that this game on Steam is €29.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Then you will be redirected to this page. And here we are going to search up the game Moving Out 2. Then select it, select the games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, if we scroll a little bit down, we will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Then select the game and open the game page. And as you can see, we can already download this game for just €15.05 compared to the Steam price of €29.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is purchase this game on this website, and then you will receive an email confirmation with a Steam activation key to activate this game within your Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!